The Rugezi wetland in northern Rwanda provides the entire region with water. Francis Musake from the International Union for the Conservation of Nature is working to preserve the area. The marsh also supplies the nearby hydroelectric plant. And it's home to birds like the rare grey-crowned crane and the ibis. But nature is under threat here.
One of the greatest danger per now is that people sneak in sometimes because you cannot protect everywhere, you cannot put security everywhere. So sometimes people come in and cut the grass, which is not good for the swamp because it exposes the water to evaporation.
Children gather the grass to feed their animals. Many of the hills here are now bare and no longer provide fodder. Without trees to anchor it down, the soil erodes. And that silts up the water in the marsh and lakes. That's why IUCN is helping people plant new seedlings. This nursery has 400,000 tiny plants, including the fast-growing eucalyptus. When they're bigger, their leaves can be fed to the livestock. The tea plantations pose another challenge to the environment. Drying the tea leaves in the factory requires lots of firewood. Benjamin Yego, manager of the Mulindi tea factory, has installed modern drying ovens that make the process more fuel efficient.
So we cut down the use of firewood by 47%. We're working with the forestry and the team there to try and look at better yielding varieties of blue gum trees that will use less land and be able to provide us with the required firewood.
That's also why planting new trees is so important. Francis Musake is committed to protecting the marsh and its species.
I would like to see, be it the lakes, be it the water, be it the ecosystem around maintained and for our future generations.
But it's not an easy task. If the destruction of the marshland continues, both nature and the people who live here will suffer.